Okay, hello, welcome back to the quick lessons on numbers. We left off at 100. You learned how to count from 1 to 100, and 100 is nari. And when you're going to count to 101, you say otu nari na otu. When you count from otu nari na otu nari na abo, otu nari na ato, otu nari ni se na itolu, otu nari ni iri. Otu narị na iri abụọ, otu narị na iri atọ, otu narị na iri anọ, otu narị na iri ise na ise is 155. Otu narị na iri isii, otu narị na iri asaa, otu narị na iri asatọ, otu narị na iri itoolu. Now, what about 199? Otu narị na iri itoolu na itoolu. Just go back to what we did counting your 90s. The only thing I'm adding is otu nari na. The way you count 1 to 99 is the same way you're going to add. Once you just get otu nari na, you just count your 1 to 99 the same way you count it. Nothing changes. It doesn't change anything. Then when you get to 200, because we say 100 is otu nari, doesn't mean 200 is abo nari. If you're thinking abo nari, you're smart. You're smart. At least your mind is working. You're with me, and I love that. But it is not abo nari. The way you say 200 in Igbo is nari abo. The same way you say 20, iri abo, iri ato. That's the same way you say 100, nari abo, nari ato, nari ano, nari ise, nari isi, nari asa, nari asato, nari itolu, and you move to 1000. So what is 999 in Igbo? 999 is nari itolu na iri itolu na itolu. So it is 109 and 10, 9 and 9. Remember the way we say Igbo said the numbers. So 109 means 9 pieces of 100, and 10, 9 is 9 pieces of 10 and 9. So that is 999. Nari itolu na iri itolu na itolu. 999. Then you get to 1000. Puku. When you want to count 1101, otu puku na otu nari no otu. Otu puku no otu nari no otu. What about 1001? Before we get to 1101. 1001. I have 1001 excuses. So you are just going to get otu puku no otu. Simple, right? I told you. Otu puku na otu. So the same way we counted for the 100, the same rules that apply to the hundreds is the same rules that apply to the thousands. So otu puku na. So once you cross that 1000 barrier and you just put na, and you count the same way you count 100 to 999 is the same way you count. The same way you count 10 to 99 is the same way you count. My name is Prince of Beautifully, and this is Igbo Made Easy. Please, if you've not chosen to subscribe, do so. If you've chosen to, thank you, and I'll see you at the next video.